Hello guys, we're back for another video and we're on a tractor. My mom, my brother, my dad, my brother, and it's pretty fun, but we're not going the fastest. We're going like 5 miles per hour. What do you want to say that we're on the tractor?
This is super fun!
Bruh. This is pretty fun though. Look at this. Look. There's a little apple picking here. We went apple. There's also pumpkins. We went apple picking. We got 4 bags of apples. They're all in like 12 pounds all together. And my brother's right there.
Hi guys.
And we like this. It's gonna be like I think like a 10-minute tractor ride. It's just us riding on a tractor. We're behind everybody. That's everyone in front of us. This is us. But there's another tractor all over there. And also our cousin couldn't really come. We asked him. He said no because his head hurts, sadly. You guys know him. And his name's Eric. If you don't, okay. So hopefully you guys like this video, like we like this tractor. So see you guys.